Okay, so the UI Evening Challenge. These are the results. And on the beginner, almost everyone solved all the questions. There was just one question, and that's the green person wasn't able to solve. So we can check the results. So we have Dagmara, Jay, Declan, Bella, and Vicky. So congratulations, Vicky. And let's check the code. So the first, so I'll zoom it in. Now, okay, so this one was straight away. Probably everyone did the same thing. So, yeah. Then this one was also quite straight away. Maybe here you got some elegance penalty because there's no indentation. And also you got a P tag with capital P. But it worked, so. And here also maybe some elegance penalty on the indentation. Dagmara as well.
If you leave some white space, is that a bigger penalty as opposed to indentation?
White space where? Between lines? Or
like in your div?
Like, you mean before?
I mean, if you have a look at Vicky's.
Vicky's?
Oh,
Oh yeah, I think this is going to be an elegance penalty. Yes, I think so.
It's going to be very annoying now.
Okay. Then the third question. So Vicky, Bella. Then Dagmara tried with a negative margin. Yeah. Then question 4 was about borders and paddings. Yes. So yeah.
So you did padding top, padding right, padding bottom.
It's
I could have done it one.
It's equivalent.
But it was listing out all the stuff, so I was like,
It does like a clock, goes like a clock.
yeah, I could have just one padding,
Yeah, the same thing.
Do I get minus in that?
No.
Alright.
No. As long as the indentation and the style, the semicolons, and that is so. I think maybe this was a small penalty. I'm not sure. And then question 5, text decoration to remove or to put it. Yeah, actually, you didn't need it to use text decoration.
So you don't need text decoration for it, so automatically gives you an underline.
Yeah, the A tag automatically by default has an underline line and then it's also color blue. Yeah, and then this was the beginner one. So let's check the intermediate. So there's one person who got a really good score that solved all the questions, but then got 0 points on elegance.
0 elegance.
So that's like minus 20 points just from elegance.
Oh, wow.
But the like it works, the code works. So yeah, so let's check the scores. So Jay, Vicky,
Sort of one.
Declan, Bella, and Rochelle. So, congratulations. So let's check the code then now. So
I was in second.
okay, I'll solve it also if you want afterwards. So this one I think was straight away. You see, if you see here, you probably got elegance penalties because of this, and yeah, and also like on some of them she leaves spaces after the column, and then on other ones.
Oh, so
She-
you're not
So it works.
meant to.
It
So
works,
it's
but
space.
but it doesn't follow the
Oh,
the
so
style
it's-
guidelines.
Okay.
So that's why the elegance gets penalized. So Bella, you see, you got probably no elegance penalty.
So you're not meant to leave a space after the colon.
You are meant to. You should leave a
You
space.
should leave a space.
Yes.
Okay.
According to the, so according to the Airbnb style guideline, that is the most popular. So probably Declan got some penalties here. But yeah, and then Vicky did something weird here. I don't know.
Yeah, I just don't get my life.
So you were just, you made it like
I like it like that.
like a
No,
staircase.
I know it's wrong, but I like it because I can see with my eyes walk here in the corner.
Yeah.
Yeah, catch on. You
Yeah.
And then Jay was close, but he was missing the text align. Yeah, and also the flex wrap. And this one you have to, you need to type a lot or copy paste a lot. Yeah, she actually solved it, but if you look at the elegance, like on the HTML, you shouldn't leave a space after the equals. And then, yeah, for instance, this one is right, but the rest of them are not. But the code, like the logic of the code is right, is working. So, yes. So yeah, the same thing here. So Bella solved it as well, probably with no elegance penalties so far.
So polished.
But the only thing is, like, your code here is not very dry. You know what is dry?
Yeah, don't repeat.
Yes, don't repeat yourself. So if you had
I've got
made
so many don't paste.
a class container and then put the common code on that container and then just a single class for left, for right.
Yeah, actually, you know the guy, the developer who did the copy and paste died the other day. So
What do you mean?
yeah, the Mac developer who
Yes,
did
I
copy
think
and
I read the
paste.
new.
So this
Yeah.
was why I did it as well.
Oh,
Nice.
Okay, and then Declan here he tried, but
yeah.
then you,
Yes, on
probably you changed.
like dynamic editing.
Yeah. So
I mean, I put
Vicky as well. He did a weird thing here
no,
as
the
well
first one I was
because
working the first
the
one.
div is wrapping all the H3. Yeah.
Yeah,
you
I
could-
just want to test the first one, but
Mhm.
then I would copy paste the rest.
And the indentation is wrong.
Yeah, but it's wrong over there. Many things on the way went wrong.
Yes, but it's
Apart,
okay. As long as you find that it's wrong and
I
you
just-
fix it,
Yeah,
Mhm. And then the
Blank space.
just
See, I put mine forward.
no indentation, some random
It's
spacing.
a way I created
Okay,
boxes.
then
I put
J.
an extra
Okay.
container. Let me see now.
Let me see.
So the third one, Rochelle, like usual, like the first one has a spacer, the second one doesn't.
Another one, the whole thing.
Sorry?
Orientation, my
I put the next to top, it covers every.
Can you say? I can't hear you. Sorry.
Orientation as well as well.
Yes, the indentation. Yeah, should you probably got some penalties because of that. But like your code is right, it works, but doesn't. It's not very standard, like to say. Doesn't follow the style guides.
Yeah, that's
Okay, and then Bella. Okay, so you went out of time. Probably Vicky as well. Yay. Yeah. Okay, Rochelle here. Like here, for instance, is right.
It's the same as the other one
Yeah.
with the justifying content. It's a similar
It's
kind
just,
of.
The only thing here, there is not a space. In all of the others, you are leaving it, but not here. Also here as well, here. So the thing is, one single mistake doesn't penalize too much, but if you keep adding them, then you get a lot of penalties. So yeah, probably you didn't have time here.
Yeah, we definitely.
And then
Ah,
I actually like this one a lot. If you want,
Yeah,
I
this
can
is-
solve it after.
this is
Also,
really
you have read the side of
Yes, I like this one.
you can see.
I need to research more.
These ones specifically is good to.
Yeah,
it's good to
but
study.
you run out of time in this one. Okay,
Yeah.
so would you like me to solve then which one? The second one or the last one?
Actually, the last one would be really good. Just
Last
go
one,
through
okay.
this.
Because we don't have much time.
That's the last one.
Okay.
See ya.
See you.
Good, good.
So I'll go to the last one.
The last one looks great.
This one. So yeah. I'll see if I can zoom it a bit more, but oops, that was too much, I think. Nope, I can't see the CSS here, so I have to zoom out. Sorry. Okay, like this. So we have a container that
We
is
have a container of the whole thing.
yes,
Okay.
that is wrapping the whole thing. Then we have five classes that are header, sidebar, main, aside, and footer. And then we have here the properties. Display grid on the container, the gap between each item.
So 1 gram, what's that unit of measurement?
Is a relative, so it's responsive.
Ah, okay.
So it's I don't know exactly what it stands for, but I know that it's responsive. So it's REM, M, and yeah.
I don't know, REM is related to the root size, font size.
Uh-huh.
It'll be 16 pixels.
Yes, yeah, I think so. I think it's 16 pixels by default, I think, right? Yeah. So then the container,
What's that? It's larger than asterisks.
Yeah.
so it's, I think it's everything inside the container, all the elements inside the container,
Ah.
if I'm not wrong.
So it's the same, when you do, it is the same when you do your CSS asterisks and then you open current brace and you put some basic settings that this applies to the whole
to everything. Yes.
Exactly like those.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
fine.
So we have grid areas. So I think that what we are missing here is grid template areas. And then we need to, so the way this works is like you are doing like a puzzle. So this has like 3 rows and 3 columns. So on the first row we have to tell CSS what we want to display there. Is the header. So if we look at the header, it has the grid area set as header. So we need to type header 3 times. Because each one is the column. Header and header. So the next one, because here we are setting 3 columns.
Okay, I see.
And now the second row is going to be the menu that we called as main.
Main, aside. Oh no, would it be menu, main, aside?
Yes, so the menu is called sidebar. So it should be sidebar, then main and aside. Right? Not main.
Oh,
Because we have the aside here.
And there are 3,
Yes.
So everything goes.
okay.
Three.
So
So-
in grid template columns, that's already defined. You don't need to repeat yourself.
Yeah, what do you
the-
mean?
The width. of
Yeah,
the-
exactly.
Okay.
Yes. So and now we have to do the last row. That is, the first row is going to be the menu that was sidebar. Then I like this. It's like a puzzle.
Yeah.
And then footer and footer. And
Okay.
if I remember well, there was something missing here.
Because she's
Yes.
named menu sidebar. Okay.
So we are missing the footer class. The footer is going to be grid area
And then that's just
footer. And I think that's
So
it.
grid area names the areas.
Yes, it's
And then-
assigned the area that is going to be used on the template.
And then grid template rows and columns assigns how much space there is. And grid template area says what's in those
Yes,
squares.
yes.
Okay.
Like we can, like, to make it more readable, we can maybe do no, but it's because I zoomed the.
Okay.
So, but like we can make it like this, like 3. I don't know if this is going to. It will probably allow it. I hope so, because now we can see it more visually. So these are 3 rows with 3 columns, and then first row is going to be with the 3 columns set as header. Second row, the sidebar, the main, and the aside. And the third row, sidebar, footer. And let's see if this works. Yeah, it works. Have some syntax error. Yeah.
Exactly, that's the one that's in the foundation.
Okay. So I'll leave it here.
Yeah, so that's how you can do the
Yeah.
animation for the row.
Yeah.
I'm going to stop streaming. Thank you.